guys, EPS Airsoft here. Today I'm going to be doing my loadout video. To start your loadout, you're going to be wanting a nice undershirt. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a giant sweater or a big fluffy jacket. Just a little small something. And also a good pair of shorts. I'm just wearing this because I just had it on. And after that, you want to get a nice pair of socks. Warm socks actually, because if you're running around in the snow, your feet are going to get cold and get wet. And after you put your socks on, one second. Okay, there. Once you get your socks on, you want to get a good pair of camouflage pants. The pants that I'm wearing are office pants. Not like office pants, like, you know, you should know if you play yourself. Get a good pair of office pants or camouflage pants. Get a good belt. I'm so out of breath. Then after you get your pants on, you want a good pair of shoes that you don't wear anymore, or just shoes that are camouflage. I'm just wearing these because I don't wear these anymore. So, put the shoes on. I've never gotten dressed in front of a camera before, so yeah. Okay, after you get your shoes on and your pants and socks, everything, you want a jacket. A jacket that will go good with your pants. A good jacket. Then after you get a jacket, I'm ahead of myself here. Just put on a jacket. Okay, after you get your jacket on, you're gonna want a vest. Uh-oh, the camera fell. I'm gonna want a vest. I got this vest off of Amazon. It's a good vest. It's got a holster, 9 pockets, all the good stuff. And then after you get vest, you want a pair of gloves. I got fingerless gloves because I could press things, pull things out, you know, itch, sniff, pick, basics. Right. Okay, after you get some gloves, you're going to want some face protection or mesh mask. I also got it off of Amazon. It's a skull mask. I got the skull mask because I like the skull mask. It was really good. Then after you get the face mask, you want some eye protection. You cannot play without eye protection. Man, this thing's slipping. Okay, so after you get some eye protection, you want a hat. And you should know this by now, I am an office man. An office mask. Then after that, you're going to want some weapons. For my secondary, I have a Stinger P311. It's just a little pistol just in case I run out of ammo on my primary. I got 2 mags with this. Just fits right here into your holster, like that. Then after you get your holster, your pistol, your gloves, everything, you're going to want a primary. That is... come on. Stand up. After that, you want a good primary weapon. This is an M4. From Lancer Tactical. It is a very good gun. FPS is 400. I got the scope separately. It comes with the iron sights. I took off the back iron sights because I didn't want it bugging me. So I got the took off the back. I can't get the top one here because I'm going to be moving all my gears being packed away. So yeah, good mag. Can hold 400 rounds. Semi-automatic basics. So yeah, this has been my Airsoft Loadout. If you guys enjoyed this, comment down what you like. Big shout out to my first subscriber. I forgot what his username was, but like Muffin something. Big shout out to you, dude. So thanks. See you guys next time.